How to enable Siri in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on Siri, and in Siri you can click on talk to Siri and press side button for Siri, enable Siri, and press and hold. The Siri will be appear for type. And if you want to enable Siri while your voice, then hey Siri, Siri or hey Siri, simple click on Siri or hey Siri and then click on continue. And here you can complete these 5 tasks here. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. After completing these 5 tasks, your Siri will be start work. And allow Siri when logged, turn this button on and go back to home screen. Hey Siri, lock the phone. Here you can check it will be work properly. So this is the way to enable Siri in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.